Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to share full reel on Instagram story without downloading. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is download or install this application. Just go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Repost for Instagram. Just look for this logo. So now let's open the app. And from here, just tap on Instagram logo or icon to open the application. Just tap on that. Once you're here, go to Instagram Reels at the bottom. And now just choose the one that you would like to repost. And once you have chosen a video, just tap on three dots, this one. And then tap on this one, the share icon. Now swipe left to copy the link, this one, so just tap on that. After doing that, just go back to the previous app. And here, as you can see, the video is automatically added. There it is. So tap on this one. And then you will see this button, which is post to feed. So tap on add to story. And there you go. The video will play full on your Instagram story without downloading. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!